I love doing this kind of stuff for my friends. My buddy Frankie at work, he goes, hey buddy, I got this key fob for my car, and there's something that needs soldered in it. And the dealership was going to charge him like 25 or 30 bucks for a new one. And I'm like, yeah, let me see that thing. So I popped it open, and there's like two little solder joints that need soldered. And it's a pretty delicate solder. It is very small board, but I love doing this kind of stuff for my friends because it's going to save them a few bucks. And it is going to take me about 10 seconds to do. So here's the little circuit board in there, and that little solder joint right there, and that one right there are cracked. So you got a piece of foil in there trying to make the connection, but it is going to take about 2 seconds worth of soldering here. I do a lot of soldering, of course, with my games and stuff, but one of the greatest things that I ever did was one of my summers. I interned for Boeing, and they sent me through their like professional grade soldering school. And I learned how to solder like a SOB back then. And it takes a pretty steady hand, which I don't have a lot of anymore. I probably should have put a little flux on that. But they showed you all the right ways to do things with soldering. And it's definitely kind of a skill. And having the right soldering stuff definitely helps. Oh man, this thing, I didn't warm this thing up right. That'll be enough to do it. I've done some pretty delicate soldering, like soldering those pins on there, that would be tough. But these big ones here on like this battery cable or terminal, that's pretty simple stuff. I don't think that one's not done yet. Oh, it is now. And then I'll put a little bead on those. But you can get a cold solder joint, what they call a cold solder joint on things, and that's basically where it's like a stress fracture. And it just, yeah, that's probably not real good. Yeah, that'll work. If that doesn't work, it's not the, it wasn't those solder joints. I can tell you that. All right, Frankie, this one's for you, buddy. Love you.